Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my AirPod Longchamp case that I picked up. Your AirPods will travel in style with this little cutie. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I picked this up from Nordstrom recently. I really could not help myself. It was the cutest thing and it went so seamlessly with my bag. And so it is the most adorable AirPod. Let me show you what I got you guys. Okay, so it comes with the Longchamp card and then in the Longchamp tissue paper. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is so beautiful. Are you kidding me? So first thing I noticed is that it has the gorgeous silver hardware, which I love. It has the Longchamp embossed in the leather as well as on the little ring clasp that can go on a carabiner or another attachment on your bag. Has the little button here and this soft, supple leather that Longchamp is known for. So let's go ahead and open this little cutie. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so cute. If you hear scratching, it's my dog. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's adorable. Okay, so let's do the dimensions real quick so you know. It has the cutest little snap. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's the smallest little bag in the world. It's adorable. Okay, so this little cutie retails for $170 and your AirPods truly will travel in style in this little cutie. So the dimensions are 3 inches in the width of this bag. It is 4 3/4 inches in the height, and then the depth is 1 1/4 inch deep. So cutest little bag ever. And let's go ahead and see how my AirPods are going to fit in this little cutie pie. So I am so excited, you guys. When I saw this on the website, it just had to go with my bag. Are you kidding me? It's so adorable. Okay, so in it goes. And oh my gosh, you guys, it is so stinking adorable. Are you kidding me? Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna snap it just like that. Oh, what do you guys think? Do you love it? Go ahead and hit that like button if you love it as much as I do. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. You could clearly use it for other things. I mean, if you wanted to put like gum or mints, little candies, or a mini lipstick, I mean, it's the cutest. You could probably fit a one of those Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers in here. I mean, I haven't tried it, but it looks like if it would fit AirPods, it would probably fit one of those. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's see how this is going to attach. I'm hoping it'll attach to the actual strap, but if not, I can get a carabiner. Oh yeah, it's big enough. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm in love. It's so adorable. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Oh, so cute. So cute. Okay, thank you for watching this adorable little unboxing and review. I'm in love. That's my review. I'm happy I picked it up. It is the cutest AirPod holder I've ever seen in my life. I'm here for it, you guys. Oh, it's so cute. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Here's a closer shot. Oh, so cute. Oh. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. You guys have to tell me what you think of this little cutie in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, friends. Bye. It's so cute.